Hey, me again. Bobby's Backyard Auto Works. I'm gonna fix this bumper. I'm gonna take everything all apart, take out the fog lights, take out the parking lights, and then fix this crack on the side right here. Right there. So let's take out the fog lights. That's why it doesn't. Okay. I'll fix that real quick. Can't lose the clip. Alright. Alright, also on these fog lights, I already sanded them. Gotta buff these suckers out. Those to the side. As you can see, they're sanded. Did them with 1,000, 2,000. Now I'm gonna buff them out just like the headlights. What I'm going to do, I'm going to drill 2 holes right here, zip tie them together, then get some epoxy it all together, zip tie it. I saw a little trick, so I'm going to do that right now. Got the drill bits, get the zip ties.
Hi, Kimberly? Yeah. There you go.
I'll be right back. Don't know where the zip ties are.